foreign exchange market is a wild animal, tamed by a chosen few. I'm Alex Robinson, and today I'm going to be taking you through one of our many strategies here at the Platinum Trading Academy that can help you take control of the markets. Our trading system has been around for over a decade now, and it needs minimal tweaking to keep performing with consistency. But our system, without our strategies, is nothing more than a high-end support and resistance indicator. Our strategy is bring the system to life and give purpose to our unique trading zones. For example, many traders trip up when it comes to trading a majority of financial news events. These include interest rate decisions by central banks, inflation announcements, employment data, economic growth, retail sales, industrial production, housing data, trade balance, surveys on business sentiment, the manufacturing sector, consumer confidence, and so on. Our news trading strategy is incredibly simple. We utilize the fourth trading zone on both the buy and sell side and make preparations for upcoming financial news events. There are some events that we absolutely avoid with this strategy, but you'll learn all about those when you enroll in our academy. We trade these zones with a classic 1-to-1 win-loss ratio at 20 pips each side. The markets haven't fundamentally changed at all since our system and strategies were developed, giving this particular strategy a consistent track record, allowing a multitude of traders to take their experience of news trading from catastrophic lows to flourishing and prosperous new heights. This is only one of our numerous strategies utilized by profitable traders every single day. Learn more about our other trading strategies on the Trading Strategies section of our website, and enroll with the Platinum Trading Academy today.